In this article, they're expecting the value of Tesla to drop below $100 by the end of next year. I don't know if I necessarily agree with this, but his reasoning comes down to the fact that based on quarter three results for 2023, their sales fell short of expectations. I mean, it fell short by like 1% or 2%, with revenue growth below double digits and operating margins continuing to compress. The cautious tone highlighted potential headwinds, particularly around the Cybertruck launch and volume ramp up. Despite ambitions to diversify revenue streams, they remain predominantly an auto company, and its value should reflect this. And, one of the things is Tesla always been valued as a technology company. People buy Teslas not because they're cars as much as they buy them because it's the leading technology provider in the automotive field. This guy thinks that it'll drop. The Tesla will only be worth $96 a share, which is currently just under $200 a share.
Yeah, it's down $11 today, under $200. So it doesn't have that far to drop.
Still, that's 50% in a year. Now, I realize they're down 80% from where they were a couple of years ago.
Yeah, Tesla has a high this year of 285. So if you would have said, hey, it's going to drop from 285 to 185, there you go. So now it's going to drop from 185 to 85. Another 100 points, no problem. It does that.
Tesla investors expect the electric vehicle company to grow steadily and aggressively while maintaining higher margins than legacy car companies. So what's interesting about this is I go right from this into an article by Benzinga. Mm-hmm. And Benzinga has somebody that's, while EV adoption is pausing, he's got 3 big reasons why EVs in 2024 are really going to come back in a big way. What's interesting about this is he's got basically 3 big reasons. The obvious one is the $7,500 US EV tax credit will go from being something you get on your tax return to being something you're able to claim at the point of sale. That's going to be big for 2024. Now, the second thing is the Cybertruck. Now, the Cybertruck is going to get people that currently drive a truck or don't currently own an EV to drive this. And they're going to start delivering them to customers here this next month. Now, the third one is the autonomous driving systems reach level 3 and level 4 automation. One of the big things, like I was saying, I view Tesla as being more of a tech company. They have things in the cars that other cars just don't have. And some of the things with even just the way the EV screen, you see the cars 2 lanes over, it says if it's car or truck. You don't even have to look at your mirrors. And it does so much for you that a regular car just doesn't do.
Hi, I'm David with EV World News. If you like this video, then please press the like button. If you like the content and would like to see more videos on electric vehicles, then please hit the subscribe button. If you have some feedback for us, please let us know in the comments. Have a great day.